Okay, here are my rats. I just... Holy shit. Holy... Man, so sticky. Sorry about that. My trap is supposed to keep me from dropping it. So I drop it for 5 seconds. Okay. Anyways. Okay, so these are my rats, Silk and River. And I just, like I was about to say, I just put this very thin, very ratted out tea towel on this wooden bar thing that's going through the wheel all the way through their cage to the other side. That's to make them stop running at night, because they run at night. But I sleep downstairs though, because even then they are very noisy at night. Even though my parents are in the other room, they can't hear the noises, but they can't hear the wheel, which is why I still stop it, even though I'm no longer sleeping here that often. Look, he's trying to get on the wheel, but no, you can't run. And Silk loves to run. Oh, look, you're gonna use it as a hammock? Come on. Come on. But you know, I bet. Oh, they're smart rats. They know where this is stable. I'm gonna try and get videos of them trying to use it as a hammock. That'd be cute. Come on. Oh, they like the camera actually. They're not camera shy, that's for sure. Come on, do something cute. Silk, sit. Good girl, Silk. Better not be a storm outside again. It's been raining for the last 2 weeks. Ever since Christmas. Look, you aren't camera shy either. And their cage is a paracage, if you're wondering. So yes, it's a very large cage for two small fancy rats. Female as well. Oh look, they brought it down. Anyways, good night. It's time for me to go to bed. Way past time for me to go to bed. So for you too. Goodbye.